Hi children, how are you children? Welcome to our English class children. In our previous classes, we have learned the letters from A to W, both in capital and small. Hope you are perfect in writing and identifying alphabets from A to W, both in capital and small children. Let's quickly revise the alphabet from A to W children. Repeat after me children. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Which letter is this children? Capital W, small w. Now let's go to our today's letters children. So in our today's class we are going to learn the letters X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. This is X. This is letter Y and this is the letter Z. Let's learn the words and sentences that are related with X, Y, Z first. Repeat after me children. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. We decorate our house with Xmas tree for Christmas. Xmas tree is decorated on Christmas. Xmas tree is decorated on Christmas. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. X-ray is black in color. X-ray is black in color. Repeat after me children. Y, capital Y, small y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Y for yak. Yak is a long-haired animal. Yak is a long-haired animal. Y for yogurt. Y for yogurt. Yogurt is white. Yogurt is white. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Yacht is a beautiful boat. Yacht is a beautiful boat. Z, capital Z, small z. Z for zip. Z for zip. Bag has a zip. Bag has a zip. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra has white stripes on its body. Zebra has white stripes on its body. Z for zero. Z for zero. Zero is round. Zero is round. Now let's learn how to write the letter X, Y and Z, both in capital and small. Observe carefully children. From the first line onwards up till the third line in your 4-rule notebook, mark a right side slanting line. Slanting line pointing towards your right. And then again from the first line onwards up till the third line, mark another slanting line pointing towards your left. It becomes our capital X. Slanting line pointing towards right and slanting line pointing towards left from the first line up till the third line. It becomes our capital X. And small x also is to be written in the same way, but it is to be written in between the middle two lines only. In between the middle two lines of your 4-ruled book, small x is to be written. Capital X is to be written from the first line up till the third line. Small x is to be written in between the middle two blue lines of the 4-rule notebook. Now let's learn Y children. From the first line up till the third line, mark a slanting line towards your left side, and from the first line up till the second line only, mark a slanting line towards the right. It becomes our capital Y. Then writing small y. Let's learn how to write small y, children. In between the middle two blue lines, mark a slanting line towards your right side, and from the second line up till the fourth line, mark a slanting line towards your left side. It becomes our small y. Now let's go to the letter Z, children. From the first line up till the third line, mark a slanting line towards your left side. Then attach it with a sleeping line on the first line. On the first line, mark a sleeping line, attach it with a slanting line from the first line up till the third line towards your left side. Then in the third line, attach this slanting line with a sleeping line again. It becomes capital Z. Small z also is to be written in the same way, but it is to be written in middle two blue lines. Capital Z is to be written from the first line up till the third line. Small z is to be written in between the middle two blue lines in 4-rule notebook. Now practice writing the letters from A to W, and also practice writing the letters from X, Y and Z. Practice writing the letters X, Y and Z both in capital and small. Also practice the words and sentences that are related with the letters X, Y and Z. Let's meet in the next class. Bye, children.